In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide TikTok ads. If you're anything like me, you love spending time on TikTok. It's an endless source of entertainment, creativity, and inspiration. However, the constant stream of ads can sometimes interrupt your scrolling spree, pulling you out of the immersive experience. But don't worry, there's a solution that can help you manage or even hide these ads, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First up, let's dive into your TikTok profile. This is your personal hub on the app where you can access all your videos, likes, and settings. To get there, simply open up the TikTok app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed, the For You page, where all the magic happens. But for now, we're heading over to your profile. Tap on the little icon representing me at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, you might notice your lovely profile photo sitting at the top right corner of this page. That's exactly where you need to go next. Give it a tap. This action will reveal a menu, which is essentially a gateway to a variety of options related to your account. From this menu, you're looking for the Settings option. Clicking here will open up the Settings menu. This is where TikTok houses all the knobs and dials that let you tweak your account to better suit your preferences. It's like the control panel for your TikTok experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next destination is the Ads section. You can think of the ads section as a sort of command center for managing how ads are served to you on TikTok. This includes preferences over ad topics, personalized ads based on your activity, and more. Navigate your way through until you find and click on ads. Within the ad setting, there's a particular option that's going to be of interest to those of us looking to dial down the ad interruptions: mute advertisers. TikTok offers you the power to mute or block certain advertisers from showing up in your feed. It's not a blanket disable all ads feature, but it's a start in managing your ad experience more actively. After you click on mute advertisers, you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust your preferences. Here you can turn off the visibility of ads from specific advertisers that perhaps don't resonate with you or you prefer not to see. Think of it as fine-tuning your TikTok ad experience to make it as personalized as possible. This feature is a testament to TikTok's recognition of the user's desire for control over their content consumption, including ads. Now you're at the crucial step where you can turn off to hide, mute, or block ads. This is where you take action to make those adjustments to your ad settings. By turning off or muting certain advertisers, you're essentially telling TikTok, hey, I'm not really interested in these types of ads. It's a way of customizing your feed to better suit your interests and preferences, making your TikTok scrolling all the more enjoyable. Remember, while this won't remove all ads from TikTok, after all, ads are a big part of how the platform keeps the lights on, it does give you a bit more say in what kind of ads you see. It's all about creating a more personalized and enjoyable TikTok experience for yourself. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: take some time to explore other settings and features within TikTok's ad preferences. You might find more ways to improve your app experience, making every TikTok session just that little bit better. And that's it, folks. You now know how to navigate your way through TikTok's ad settings to mute or block certain advertisers. With these tips in hand, you can better manage the ads you see and tailor your TikTok experience to your liking. Happy scrolling, and here's to an even more enjoyable TikTok experience with a little less ad interruption. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your digital experiences. See you in the next video.